Hey guys, it's Guy here, and in this video I'm going to show you the 5 best settings that you must have in your Samsung device. And also, if you stick until the end of the video, I'll have 2 bonus just for you to take a look at. So let's go to the desk, I'll show you what I mean. So now at the desk, the first one is going to be the high refresh rate. So let's go down to settings, display, and then we go to motion smoothness. So here you can see we have 2 options, which is going to be the adaptive and the standard. So the adaptive is going to be your screen going to the highest refresh rate available, which is 120 Hertz, and then the standard, which is going to be 60, just if you want to save some battery. From here, we are going to go back, and then we are going to see the screen resolution. Now with the S22 Ultra, we are able to set up both settings with the WQHD Plus, which is the 1440p high resolution, and the actual high refresh rate. In the S21 Ultra, we were not able to do it, and now we are able to do it with the S22 Ultra. Now we're going to see how to remove access from your camera and your microphone altogether. With just one button, we have the options here: remove access and microphone. If you don't have that option for you, you can just take a look at the options added in here. You can select way more options. You just hold and you put back whatever you want. What this one does actually is removing access to your camera and your microphone altogether with all the apps, and every app that need access to the camera or the microphone, you will request access on the spot. Now for the 4th option, we have the sound quality, which is the Dolby Atmos. Let me show you how to get there. You go to settings, sounds and vibrations, and you go to sound quality and effects. Here you have the Dolby Atmos and Dolby Atmos for gaming. As you can see here, you can toggle them on, both of them. Now for the 5th best setting, it's actually, you go here and then you can just lock your app so you can keep it open. Every time that you open it up, it's gonna be faster. If you keep it open, it's gonna lock it. So if you won't be able to close it, and every time you try to open it up, it's going to be way faster than it just going to be opening it up right away. So you can see here, you can do up to 3 apps and none of them are going to be closed off. So my 2 bonus for you guys, one of them is the Bixby routines. If you don't know what this is, you can set up a few routines to your cell phone where it does things automatically for you. I'm just going to show you here the ones that I do have. It's a power saving, and every time it goes below 30%, I have the power saving on, and the power saving reduces a few resources for your mobile. The other one here that I do have is before bed. I have my time, what time I'm going to bed between, and what I do is actually turning it off the fast charging and the super fast charging, just because it's a better practice for when you're to get a longer battery. And here, just to show you how we can add a routine, you have an add button here, and then you have 2 options here. If something happens, then you do whatever needs to be done. And my 2nd bonus, it's actually the Good Lock app. If you haven't heard about this one, it's a powerful app where you can fully customize your Samsung device, and it's a great app with a lot of modules. You can see you can work with your S Pen, you can do a lock screen, you have your keyboards, and a lot of other options. Here in the makeup and the iFlip, you have other bunch of other options as well with the routines. And I really recommend you guys, if you want to get into fully customize your Samsung device, just get the Good Lock app. Guys, thank you very much for watching. If you had any value from this video, please leave a thumbs up and comment down below what are your best settings in your Samsung device. And if you're interested in learning more about how to set up your lock screen, I'll leave the card here below and the link in the description. just for you to take a look at how to set up your lock screen using the Good Lock app. Alright, I'll